Hey, this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to make a cardboard loom. I'm making just a really small one. You can make it any size you want. This one just happens to be about 3 inches by 3 inches. So to start out, what you're gonna need is obviously a piece of cardboard, a piece of yarn. Again, for my loom, because it's only 3 by 3, I chose to have about a wingspan of yarn for the warp, and then a ruler so you could mark where you're gonna cut your notches. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is line your piece of cardboard up with your ruler, and with a Sharpie or pen or pencil, whatever, mark every every quarter inch. So every quarter inch on your ruler, about, doesn't have to be exact. Go ahead and make a little hash mark, flip it over, do the same thing on the other side, every quarter inch, keep it as accurate as you can. Okay, then what you're gonna do is grab a pair of scissors and just cut into the cardboard about 1/4 of an inch down. Again, doesn't have to be exact, but get it as close as you can. Once that's done, all you need to do then is take one little end of your yarn, stick it in your first notch, and wrap and go all the way around till you get to the end. Don't make your yarn too tight, otherwise it might be really difficult to weave later on. And there you go. Any extra yarn, not a big deal. You can just snip it or leave it off to the side unless it's in your way. And there you go. That's how to make your mini loom and get it warped.